And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time is 6:45. As you get ready to plan your day, plan on it being very hot this afternoon. It's even pretty mild this morning. Temperatures mid to lower 60s. But when you factor in the dew points, also in the upper 50s, low 60s, so mainly in that muggy category, it feels considerably different outside. It's not as cool, and you're going to notice throughout the day it's going to feel rather muggy. So let's look at future track for your dew point values. I'll put the clock in motion starting at 6. We'll go to 2, and we're still in that muggy, almost borderline kind of comfortable category. The thing about it, all this is about to change. Look at later on tonight going into tomorrow morning. Dew point values creep back up and almost into that humid category in the 70s. So when you get your temperature and your dew point value and very light winds and enough moisture in place, you could see some fog development, which we are expecting overnight. Then early tomorrow morning, a cold front rushes through and it comes through on a dry note. But behind that, look at that, your dew point values crash back down into that dry category, 30s. We're even expecting the 20s and possibly even the teens behind that front tomorrow afternoon. I'll show you how that impacts the rest of your forecast in a second. Your day planner forecast for today will see increasing sunshine, temperatures warming from 70 up to 84 by noon. Valley high temperature today near 96 degrees with a southerly wind at 8 to 16 miles per hour, gusting up near 25 miles per hour at times. Now keep in mind that's not the hottest it could get. I'll show you your city by city forecast in a few minutes. Overnight, partly cloudy with patchy fog late. 67 will be your overnight low. And then as we warm up tomorrow, check this out. We're only going to the mid 80s courtesy of that front. So behind that front, it's going to be cooler and breezy, but a lot less humid. And remember that relative humidity is going down. So with that in mind, when you have that type of situation, the National Weather Service has already issued a fire weather watch for the entire valley starting at noon until 8 o'clock tomorrow night. And that's because any fire that is set outdoors could spread very rapidly with those gusty winds. All that dry vegetation doesn't help. It'll spread very, very quickly. So outdoor burning is going to be a concern tomorrow. It's probably not a good idea to do it. It's something that we'll be watching. Now, as we head into the weekend, queuing for a vision is this weekend in Weslaco. It's actually Friday and Saturday this week. Looks like it's going to be great weather for this event. On Friday, a lot less humid, near 83 degrees behind that front. It's actually going to last a few days, guys. Talking about Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Woo, nice. As we head into the weekend, the heat returns, so we'll be back into the upper 80s this weekend. And get ready, the breeziness will return too. Here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. 96 degrees today, and it'll actually warm up to 100 in Rio Grande City, 84 at the coast. 67 overnight, 84, 82, and then 83 through the rest of the work week. Overnight lows will get a bit chilly, 53 and 58, but it'll warm back up to the low 90s as we head into next weekend. Overnight lows will be in the low 70s. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.